Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow apps to be installed from anywhere on macOS. I'm using macOS Tahoe, but the steps are very similar on other versions. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll all the way down to the Security section. Here you'll see Allow Applications From, but by default you'll only have two options: App Store, and Identified Developers. Now there is actually a third hidden option called Anywhere, but before we enable it, quick warning, this reduces your Mac's security, so only do this if you know what you're installing and trust the source. Alright, to unlock this option, we need to use Terminal. Click on the search icon in the top right corner, or simply press Command plus Space on your keyboard. Then type Terminal and open it. Once Terminal is open, type the following command, sudo spctl-master-disable. Then press Enter. You'll be asked to enter your Mac password. Go ahead and type it in, and don't worry if you don't see anything appearing on the screen, that's completely normal. Press Enter again. If everything is done correctly, nothing will really happen here. Now go back to System Settings, then Privacy and Security, and scroll down again. You should now see a new option: Allow Applications Downloaded from Anywhere. Go ahead and select it, confirm if prompted, and you're all set. And that's it. You can now install applications from any source on your MacBook. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.